Switching subjects, each week we pick one specific feature about Metro Atlanta, and we believe it's something that you should know about Metro Atlanta. Most people who live here are not from here, and we believe Atlanta is really an incredible city and has so much to offer. This week we are featuring Yellow River Wildlife Sanctuary. It's in Lilburn. It's a sanctuary for animals and people to go look at animals. It benefits animals. It educates humans. Jonathan and Katie Ordway purchased the property when the Yellow River Game Ranch shut its doors. Teaching their 5 children about wildlife has always been a priority for the couple, and now they've made it easier for Atlanta parents to do the same. Over the past 2 years, they've refurbished the 25-acre attraction into a sanctuary for people and animals. As I said earlier, the centerpiece is the new bear habitat, a 2-acre enclosure with lush foliage and a pool with a waterfall. When you enter the sanctuary, you are likely greeted by one of the many peacocks. There used to be a place across from the governor's mansion called the Peacock House that had live peacocks, and I thought those things were so amazing. They get to freely roam the property. You can grab a map at the entrance so you don't miss any of the residents. There's wildlife from small turtles. You can spot all 10 different types of turtles to large bison, one of which was born on the property, with monkeys, foxes, possums, raccoons, lynx, and more. The upper and lower trails wind through the cool shaded forest. The animals are all on strict diets, but you can feed them bags of lettuce and carrots for $4. You can feed deer, goats, bunnies, sheep, alpacas in the designated areas. There's also a gem mining area where for a $10 fee, kids can sift for treasures in the running water. Plan to spend at least 2 hours enjoying the animals and the relaxing atmosphere. There are benches and picnic tables, as well as plenty of hand washing stations and hand sanitizer. The Ordway family has given the community a gift that will hopefully endure for generations. As Jonathan says, we will never be done. There is no finish line. And I say kudos to you. I have not been out to experience the Yellow River Wildlife Sanctuary, but it is something I'm going to put on my list for some time when Tammy is in town.